to the Corvette channel. I am Corvette Hop. If this is the first time you've been to the channel, then please go ahead and subscribe. Today we're going to work on this 1982 C3 Corvette. We are going to remove the seats, remove the carpet, and install some sound deadening material. With that, let's go ahead and get started, and hey, keep those cars on the road. First, look at this 1982 C3 Corvette. This car is beautifully maintained with an amazing paint job. You need to be extra careful working around this car. Now, we installed MAT66 Sound Deadening Material. We chose this material because it's easy to install. It flexes very well and sticks to the surface. Very nice. A big shout out to MAT66 for sending us this amazing material. One of the first things you want to do is go ahead and disconnect the battery. Now, Randall went ahead and removed the top on both sides so we can get at everything easier. He also went ahead and removed the bolts for the seats, so we went ahead and removed both the driver and the passenger seat. As I removed the seat, Randall removed the top on the driver's side and then continued to remove the driver's side seat. I proceeded on and started removing the door sill guards. All the kick panels, carpet under the seat belts, speakers, everything had to be removed so that we can remove all the carpet and insulation out of the car. Now, Randall's going to replace the carpet in the car at some point. However, it was tedious work finding all the little screws that were hidden inside the carpet in order to remove it. Our goal was to remove everything from the interior so we get 100% coverage of the MAT66 material. Once everything was removed, Randall vacuumed the car. Next, we're going to apply some alcohol so that we have a clean surface for the MAT66 material to adhere to. We used everyday rubbing alcohol and applied it on the entire floor surface to ensure it was 100% clean. Several areas were wet, so we had to wait for them to dry and then apply. Every single area was covered with the alcohol to ensure it was clean, to include the battery area and the storage area. Next, we went ahead and started applying the MAT66 material. We simply peeled off the back protective material and started to apply. The nice thing about the material is that it could easily be cut and trimmed to place using a pair of scissors or even a razor blade. And trimmed. Now, we applied the MAT66 material everywhere that we could find. It required about 72 square feet, which resulted in about 2 boxes. You may notice a roller that we're using. We ordered that from Amazon.com for about $10. I will provide the link to this in the comments. This roller is strong and sturdy. I've used other ones from Lowe's and Home Depot and they just broke apart. This one lasted the entire job. As you can see, Randall did an amazing job covering every area. In the high heat areas like the center console and the firewall, we covered twice with material. Wow, what a great job. Of the 2 boxes that we had of the MAT66 material, 72 square feet, we only had about 3 sheets left over, so 2 boxes fit the job perfectly. As you can see, the entire floor surface was covered very well. The job is finished. Reconnect the battery and reinstall everything in reverse order. Hey, I hope you liked the video and I hope you learned something. A special thanks to Randall and letting us use his 1982 C3 Corvette. With that, keep those cars on the road.